So in this set of plans, we actually have a paving plan. And if we take a look at the paving plan, the first thing we'll see is we've got some call outs here, and we've got some hatch patterns, some other notes. And if we look over to the legend over here, we got pavement details. So we can see concrete pavement or concrete paving for tank, concrete dumpster pad, concrete paving, and heavy duty asphalt paving. So we can see also a cross section, which is going to give us our thicknesses of these areas. So we've got our compacted backfill, we've got our 8 inches of minimum grab course per DOT specs, an asphalt, and then a asphalt course top as well. So that's the heavy duty asphalt paving. The dumpster slab here, you can see our concrete and wire mesh or rebar. We've got the sub-base compacted backfill, and then we also got our earthwork, basically in the non-paved areas, so our topsoils and whatnot. So that information would be used in a takeoff as well as obviously in construction, but we can see here where our concrete areas are, our heavy-duty pavement, our concrete, our dumpster pad, and tank areas and stuff. So the paving plan going to give you the details for not only the takeoff, but also the paving and compaction areas that are required for this particular project.